The Ford Fusion claims to be American, but it's actually made in Mexico. That's right. The all-American car is actually made south of the border, in a country that crosses the Tropic of Cancer. And Fusion spelled backwards is Neusif. That doesn't sound American to me. Drive the car that's winning over Americans, the 2008 Chevy Malibu. Paid for by Americans for Malibu, and visit drivemalibu2008.com for more information.